Hello everyone, welcome you all. In the previous video, we have seen how the air brake system works. If anyone does not aware about the air brake system and doesn't see the video, please watch air brake system full video explanation available in the playlist. So in this video, we are going to see how the ABS anti-lock braking system works. What are all the additional components compared to the air brake system, and the component how it function. These are all the things we are going to watch in this video. Keep watching. Let's go into the video. We will see why ABS is required. ABS's main function is control the braking and prevent wheel lockup and provide precise braking control during over braking. Due to this, vehicle stability improved, steerability under emergency braking improved, stable stopping on icy or rainy road surfaces and in curves, and it improves stopping distance, also reduces the possibility of loss of steering control and tire flat spotting. Wheel speed sensor continuously monitoring the wheel speed information and sent to the ECU. Whenever the wheels start to lock up, the wheel speed sensor information is analyzed by the ECU and it identify when it will lock, and it send to the output signal to the modulator valve. The modulator valve modulate the air pressure in the brake chamber and prevent wheel lockup and provide precise braking control during emergency or over braking. So whenever the driver press the brake beyond his control, the wheel is going to lock. So the wheel speed information is sent to the ECU. The ECU send the signal to the modulator valve. It modulates the air pressure and avoid wheel lockup. It helps in prevent wheel lockup and provide precise braking control. Due to this, loss of steering control is reduced, vehicle stability improved. Now we are going to see each component addition to the air brake system: ECU, modulator valve, wheel speed sensor and tooth wheel. How it function, what are the main features of this. We already aware that in the rear the air pressure is available up to the relay valve. So when the driver presses the pedal, the signal comes out from the dual brake valve to the relay valve. Once the relay valve received the signal, the outlet port will open and it will send to the air brake chamber in the normal air brake system. But in ABS, the relay valve does not send the air pressure to the air chamber. It sends through the modulator valve. Once the signal received from the dual brake valve, it sends the air pressure to the modulator valve, and the modulator valve sends the air pressure to the air chamber. This is the operation. So whenever the driver presses the pedal, the modulator valve will send to the air brake chamber and the braking will work. So when the wheel get lock up, the modulator valve will get the signal from the ECU, and based on the signal it will regulate the pressure to prevent wheel lockup in the rear. In the front wheels, during normal air brake system, the air pressure is sent from the dual brake valve to the quick release valve, and the quick release valve will send to the air pressure to the air brake chamber. But in ABS system, the dual brake valve will send the air pressure to the modulator valve. The modulator valve will send the pressure to the air brake chamber. So like rear, whenever the wheel gets locked up in the front, the ECU will send the signal to the modulator valve. Based on the signal, the modulator valve will modulate the air pressure and will prevent the wheel lockup. This is how the ABS works in the front as well as in the rear wheels. So the main thing is ECU give the signals to the modulator valve to the about the wheel lock. So when the wheel lock signal received, the modulator valve will modulate the pressure and preventing wheel lock. ECU main function is it receive the signal from the sensor and analyze it based on the programmed data and sends the output signal to the other components. Modulator valve receives the signal from the ECU and based on the signal it will regulate or modulate the air pressure. The wheel speed sensor is a magnetic pickup type sensor. It consists of a coil wrapped around the magnet. It is positioned near the tooth wheel, which the tooth wheel is fitted to the wheel hub. As the wheel rotates, the teeth pass by the sensor. This influences the magnetic flow through the field produced by the magnet. As the magnetic flow builds and collapses with the passing of each tooth and gap, voltage pulses are created. These pulses are relayed to the ECU and is used to determine the relative speed of the wheel. The tooth wheel normally has 100 evenly spaced teeth and is usually mounted on the wheel hub on each wheel. This is how the ABS and its components works. Here I have given only the ABS part side. So if you want to know complete information, you can watch the brake system explanation video available in playlist and this ABS video. If you combine both, you will get the full clarity.